Hey everybody, it's Amber and I have a project share for you today. This is going to be a pretty quick video, but I made a couple of these card holders, I guess I'm calling them. I'm not sure what the official name will be yet, but these are kind of like a simplified version of my note card folios that I made for my craft fair a couple years back, and I'll link that below just in case you haven't seen it. But I kind of simplified the idea and I used one piece of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper to make these cute little folders. And then I filled them with note cards and envelopes. So each of the pockets here hold 3 cards and 3 envelopes. And you can even decorate the cards or do whatever. But I went ahead and attached the pockets on both sides so they don't slide around. And I just kind of played around with the idea. So I think it came out pretty cute, and it's, like I said, simplified compared to the note card folios that I made for my craft fair, which are pretty simple as well, but I wanted to use 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. So that's the first one. I am going to show you the paper that I used at the end of the video. So that's kind of my pink and gold version. And then I also made like a royal blue and gold and I put some sequins. Oh my goodness, this one is my favorite, I think, because of the cards inside. The cards are so pretty. They've got like succulents and cactus. So here's the inside. I really love how the scrapbook paper looks, and it just makes it, like I said, simple. So these are the 3 cards in this pocket, and super cute. And this would be a really cute gift if you wanted to give it to somebody with like a book of stamps or a gift card or something, or just, you know, alone. This is a really cute gift, especially for teachers and things like that. So here's 3 more note cards and envelopes. And so, like I said, each pocket can hold more than 3 envelopes and 3 cards, but I attached on both sides so they wouldn't slide around. And it's kind of just compact and simple. And I didn't have a ribbon closure or anything like that. I just wanted to keep it really simple. So the paper pad that I used, and I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. I got it from Michael's on a hot buy, and it's probably like one of my favorite paper pads that I ever got from Michael's. So this is a DCWV Sahara Rose, and I think I've shown this in a haul before, but this paper is gorgeous. I'm going to do a quick flip through. So that is the beautiful Sahara Rose paper pad, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to make some more. And then I got this on a hot buy too. It's the same paper. It's the Sahara Rose, and it's like a note card and envelope set. So you get all these designs, and that's where I got the note cards from. You can also make your own if you can't find one of these, but this is a great use for those packages and boxes of note cards and envelopes. So you can get it at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, but I found the Sahara Rose one to go with the paper. So that's what I used to make these cute little note card holders. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like me to do a tutorial on this, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know. I hope that you are subscribed, and if not, I hope you will stick around and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss another video of mine. Thank you so much for your wonderful support, and thank you for watching this video. I know it was just a quick project share, but I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.